Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. In today's video, I will show you different hairstyles. Let's first proceed with this hairstyle. First, you have to make a pony. You have to divide your hair in 4 parts. Then you have to twist your hair and make a beautiful bun like this. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. Take small portion of hair, then bind it like this. Then you have to make a braid from both the sides like this, and then bind it like this, and rest of the hair you have to twist and make a beautiful bun. Finish it using a beautiful hairpin. Wedding season is going on. You are wearing a beautiful dress. You have done a makeup, so your hairstyle should be unique and beautiful. So here you can take ideas and you can make simple and easy hairstyles in just few minutes, and then you are good to go for a party. So here, as you can see here, I have made a braid like this, and with this I'm going to make a beautiful bun like this. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. First you have to make a braid like this, and then you have to divide your hair in 2 parts. Make 3 braids, bind them together, and then make a beautiful bun. Finish it using a hairpin. Take a small portion of hair and the rest of the hair you have to make a braid, and then make a beautiful bun like this.